I can't be the only person who thinks it's insane to pay so much for a drink that should cost you barely $1 to make per cup, and that's so easy to make at home. I'll even add that it'll take you less time to make it than to buy it, and it'll be way better than the original. I'll prove it to you. Hi, I'm Liz, former barista and cafe manager. I'm very proud to show you my new set, which I'm still working on, by the way. I hope you like it. Today, you'll learn how to make Starbucks Iced Brown Sugar Oat Shaken Espresso Latte. They really should consider shorter names for this. Anyhow, we'll make the syrup from scratch so you can enjoy better coffee at home. Let's go. This is what you'll need. Ideally, oat milk, as in the name, but you can always use your favorite milk. I really like this one from Earth's Own, the barista version. This is not a sponsorship, I just really love this milk. It's rich and creamy in texture. You're also gonna need brown sugar, ground cinnamon, vanilla extract, water, ice, and of course, coffee. This double-layered vegan drink is a fresh choice for hot summer days or anytime you're craving a sweet and creamy treat. And instead of paying $6 per 16 ounces, each cup will cost you around $1 worth of ingredients. Fun fact, when Starbucks introduced this drink, it was the first time they ever added oat milk to their menu. Anyhow, if you want to get that Starbucks flavor profile, I recommend you use medium to dark roast as it usually yields more chocolatey, toasty notes. But as long as they're fresh, use your favorite beans for the best experience. Alright, let's get to work. This is how I make the brown sugar syrup. In a small pot on the stove, add 4 lightly packed tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 6 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a dash of salt. Let's heat it on medium-high, whisking to combine. Lower the heat to medium-low and simmer about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently until sugar has completely dissolved and the syrup has thickened just slightly, like so. Remove from the heat and set aside while we prepare the coffee. This recipe will yield 2 servings and can be stored in your fridge for up to a week. Today, I'll be pulling the espresso with the Ultima Cosa espresso machine, which is a wonderful and affordable solution for a home coffee bar. I'll link my full review in the description in case you're interested. However, a good alternative if you don't have a machine is using a moka pot. We're about to put the drink together. If you're getting value from this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep helping people elevate their coffee experience. Alright, we're now ready to make the iced brown sugar oat shaken espresso latte. As the name suggests, you're gonna have to shake, which is what we're gonna do next. Grab your shaker and add ice to it. About half full should be good, but feel free to adjust to taste. Add the brown sugar syrup and the 2 shots of espresso and get to shaking. After a good shake, grab your favorite glass and add ice to taste. Then, pour the shaken espresso mixture using the strainer to get the layers. Now add cold oat milk on top. I'm using about 200 milliliters, but feel free to adjust as you like. If you pour slowly, the milk won't immediately blend with the coffee and the end result will look like this. A light creamy upper layer with a dark brown coffee layer on the bottom. I'll stir to combine and try it out. The original recipe will stop here, but I like to include the foam as well as I believe it adds a wonderful frothy texture to the drink. This is so good! I really hope you enjoy your drink while watching any of my other coffee recipe videos. I also have product reviews, machine reviews, tutorials, and about anything about coffee. Make sure to comment what you'd like me to make next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.